Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. Think a wipe can't out-clean a paper towel, yet Clorox proves otherwise. The moment I opened a pack, the fresh scent hit me, and the first mess on my kitchen countertop vanished with a single swipe, confirming the claim of cleaning 3 times better. Later, a friend spilled grape juice on her polished granite, and the wipe erased the stain without a trace, showing confidence on 100 different surfaces. Even after a weekend of bathroom traffic, the lingering fragrance kept odor-causing bacteria at bay for 48 hours, a detail echoed in field data where families praised the freshness. Across the board, the disinfecting power knocked out 99.9% of germs, from Salmonella to Staphylococcus, turning spots into safe zones. Verdict: ideal for busy households that demand a sparkling, odor-free environment without sacrificing germ protection.